Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Move the smart plug close to the router so the signal is strong and stable. Next, open the maker's app and sign in or create an account because you'll need it to register devices. Make sure your phone is on the 4 GHz network versus 5 GHz since many plugs only support 4 GHz. Finally, plug the smart plug in and hold its pairing button for about 5 to 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. You'll see a blinking LED confirming readiness. Once the plug is blinking, follow the app's pairing flow. Select the 4 GHz SSID and type the Wi-Fi password carefully because a typo prevents connection. After the device joins the network, name it with a clear label like Kitchen Coffee and assign it to a room so routines and voice commands are reliable. If the app offers a firmware update, install it. Updates fix bugs and security issues. Also allow necessary permissions, such as local network access, so the app can discover the plug and communicate seamlessly. Finish by testing. Use the app to toggle power and confirm the connected device responds without delay, which verifies stability. Then create a schedule or automation to turn the plug on or off at set times and connect it to your voice assistant for hands-free control if you want. If you hit problems, try a quick troubleshooting step. Reboot the router and smart plug, switch your phone's Wi-Fi off and on, and retry pairing. This resolves common network handshake issues and clears cached conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.